Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with solar power prep, outside kitchen refrigerator, outside speakers, outside storage, stabilizer jacks, flip down travel rack, single slide, outside shower, double step entry, spare tire and carrier, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, pleated shades, booth dinette, queen size bed, fire extinguisher, tire pressure monitors, bathroom tub shower combo, overhead kitchen storage, carbon monoxide detector, sofa bed, LED interior lighting, double door refrigerator, dual lights over headboard, detachable power cord, LP leak detector, stainless sink, overhead storage, sink covers, entry grab handle. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.